Did you know a gang tried to steal the world's most valuable diamond using a bulldozer? November 7th, 2000. London's Millennium Dome. The Millennium Star diamond sat on display, a flawless 203-carat stone worth over $350 million. The hole-in-the-wall gang had been planning this for months. They drove a stolen JCB excavator straight through the dome's reinforced wall. Smoke grenades filled the air. The crew wore body armor. Speedboats idled on the Thames, ready to carry them into the fog. It looked unstoppable, but Scotland Yard had been watching them for weeks. Operation Magician had replaced the real diamond with a replica. 200 officers were already hiding inside, waiting. The moment the gang reached the display case, police swarmed from every direction. It was over in seconds. Ringleader Ray Betson received 9 years. The rest of the crew followed him into prison. They built the perfect heist. They just never noticed they were already inside a trap. Ambition this loud never stays quiet for long.